Okay, so now it's time to manage your licenses. So you have customers that are using your app. Now you want to be able to manage licenses and even log into your customer's org later on to perform support and maintain your app. So this is how you can do it. First, you would need to have a license management app on your business org or PBO, partner business org, right? So how can you get a license management app on your partner business org? Follow the steps over here. You have to first request access to the license management app. So log in to the Salesforce partner community. Let's log in. Partners.salesforce.com. I think I am already logged in, but if you are not logged in, just enter your username, password, and you're logged in there, right? So once you're logged in, go to support here, and then you can create a new case on here, and then you can request for LMA request, right? Select a severity level and enter a subject. For subtopic, select LMA request. So I am going to choose, I think, here, LMA request. Click on there, create a case, right? So just pick medium and then put your subject LMA request. Here, LMA request, and then put in your org ID. Just fill out this form, all right? So once you have filled out this form, Salesforce support will give you your LMA access, and you can install the app, all right? So once you've done that, log in to your partner business org. Mine is shown. So this is my partner business org, right? So once Salesforce support has replied to you saying the LMA has been installed, you can access it from here. License Management App. Click on that. So you have leads, licenses, packages, package versions, subscribers, reports, and dashboard. This is your license management app, okay? So that's how you get the access, okay? So after that, you can install the LMA and then set up and configure the LMA for your solution. Now, first connect your solution to the LMA. So to do that, first you have to connect an org before you can actually register a package. They don't mention it here. I think they forget it somehow. So first, go to your partners page, which is here, okay? And then you can go to, let's go home, or publishing. On publishing, before you can go to packages, you have to go to organizations, right? So go to organizations. Here, this is your development org where you build the app. So Zone Dev 1, remember my previous videos? Let's log in there. If I go to Zone Dev 1, this is the development org, right? And then we have a package here, package manager. See, my Trail app is a managed package, my Trail app, right? So I want to be able to publish this so that I can support my customers who are installing the Trail app, right? So first things first, on the partners community website, you have to connect an org. I've already done this, but you click on here, just log into your Zone Dev 1 or whichever org you are using for development. For me, I was doing Zone Dev 1, right? And then hit connect, and then this will just bring up this guy here, Zone Dev 1, right? Let's do Zone Dev 2. For example, if I want to do Zone Dev 2, my password is like that. Now we have Zone Dev 2 connected, but there is no packages there because I haven't created any package on Zone Dev 2, right? So after you've connected the org, then you can go to packages. All right? Then you can go to packages. Come on. It takes a few seconds to load the packages section. Now here, right? Once you've connected the org, you will see available packages here, right? And then you can register. There was a register link here. It's not active yet. So you hit the register link over here, which will allow you to register the package. Okay, so once you've done that, you can configure your LMA. So if your business have maybe 10 employees, you could assign who can view what, like who can view the licenses your customers have, and then you can assign who in your business, like your staff, who can view packages, who can view package versions, and then the field level security, you can configure them here. All right, so let's move on to modify your license. So you can modify a license. So you can modify a license here. From the app launcher, select license management app, navigate to licenses, select the record for the customer license you want to modify and click modify license. Do not click edit. That's different. If you don't see modify license on for the record, add it to the page layout. So let's see. So this is the partner community. So I'm on the business org here, okay? So I'm gonna go to licenses and I'm gonna click on here. If I click here, I don't see modify licenses, right? So I'm gonna add the button to the page layout. I'm gonna edit the page and click on here, license layout. Let's add modify button there. So buttons, modify license, put it here for classic, and then here modify license, put here after there. I'm going to save. Now we have modify license button. I'm going to close this guy now, close that and go back, leave. Now we should have modify license here, right? So modify license, you can change the license for this particular customer, right? So you can assign seats, or if it's a site-wide license, and you can change suspended, active, does not expire, and so forth. All right. So that's how you can modify a license. So how did the customer get assigned this license? They get assigned basically after they're installing the app. So if I go to my Zone Dev 1 here, right? This is the app, right? We have a URL because this is not listed on AppExchange yet, because this is just a simple test app. So if you go to versions here, versions 1, major release, and you have the link, right? And you click on the link and you install it on an org. you can install this app on any org now because this is already a major release. Any organization that uses Salesforce can now install this, right? So after they install this app, they will show up here, their license. They will show up here, right? And then you can even log into their org after they grant login access, right? So let me show you how they, how customers can grant login access, right? So if they have granted login access, you can click here and log into subscriber console. You can click here and log in. So log in here. And I'm going to blur this information. And then you can log in as me here. I am the admin on there. So I'm going to log in as me. And boom, I am in now. Right? I am in. So I'm in the customers org who have installed my app. And I can do whatever access that the user who was granting the access can do. Right? So now I'm just going to log out again here. I'm going to log out by clicking on here and then return to subscriber overview here. And then I'm going to log out of subscriber. Pretty neat, right? Pretty cool, right? So that's how you can log in to your customer's org. All right. And you can modify the license from there. And then you can set expiration, seats, and the status active or suspended. And then you can get fancy with tracking installations. This is only work after you are approved as an AppExchange partner though. Alright? Not when you're playing around. Okay, quiz. What can the license management app do for you? Generate lead and license records with a prospect. When a prospect installs your solution, create new customer orgs in which to deploy. No, you can't do that. So A and C probably. Connect to your customer. Yeah, A and C. You can connect to your customer org just like I just showed you. After installing the LMA in your business org, how do you connect it to a solution? Click Enable LMA on your solution AppExchange listing. No. Click Manage License for your package in the publishing console. No. Enable the license management setting for your solution from the setup menu in your business org. No. Yeah, this one. Not this one. Enable the license management setting for your solution from your setup menu. Well, you have to request that from support, right? The LMA is automatically connected to every solution you list publicly on AppExchange. This is a bit tricky. Well, after you list publicly on AppExchange, I think it will connect. Let's do that. Which of these can you modify in a license record? The number of customer seats? Yeah. The set of features? No. The version? No. The number of customer seats for your license. The subscription payment plan? No. So, I'm doubtful about number 2 here. After installing the LMA in your business org, right? How do you connect it to a solution? From the community website, right? Click Enable LMA on your solutions. Click Manage License for your package in the publishing console. I think this is the one because I was looking for the publishing console. Yeah, let's do that. Bada bing, bada boom. We got it, baby. I'll see you on the next video. Hit that subscribe button and explore new Trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce AppExchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.